Kory, the art archaeologist, and welcome to my channel. So I've been up to my eco dyeing again, and I wanted to share this kit with you. I really love how this came out. Sometimes when you get these flowers, and I'm not sure what they are, they look like daisies, and they dye them. I always just buy them in the store, but sometimes they have these like ones that are starting to wilt, and they're kind of like smushed together. So I really love to do this right here. Put these flowers in and get this side view. I hope you can see it. But this kit is called Deep Blue, so I'm just going to do a quick flip and show you all of the sheets in here. And I've got some fern leaves and some other leaves that I had frozen. I'm trying to use up all my leaves because now all the leaves are sprouting, so it's time to collect for me again. There'll be a lot of eco dye kits this summer because it is the season for it, and it's what I like to do. So in the fall, probably not right in the summer, but definitely in the fall, I'm going to be putting together some projects about how to use these kits as well. So here's another side view of a flower, and I really like how this came out. It is available, like I said. The link is in the description box below, and I'm making my kits smaller now. I'm doing 7 sheets. And these are 7 by 10, but I sized them at 8.5 by 11 just to give you a little bit more mileage for the buck. And the reason I'm doing that is because I like to do a bunch of different colors, and you're really limited to the same palette when you do a kit. So, you know, I was doing 10 sheets, and of course they're all double-sided, so I was getting 20-piece kits out of 10 sheets, and I just want to do them a little smaller and be able to make more kits and have more colors. Also, I'm getting rid of the barbecue sheet, the gray sheet pages, by really piling up those top and bottom pages with leaves. So, and it's been going pretty well. I still get a little of it here and there, like this sheet in here. But I'm really loving this. Now, this kit's really dark, and I've got 2 others that I'm making videos for. Here, check this out. Here's a couple of those flowers right here. I'm gonna start working on doing some lighter kits. So these are really deep, but I like the lighter ones too. So I've got a lot of plans to experiment with this summer and really come up with some great kits so that I can do a bunch of work with the kits in the fall and in the winter and in the springtime while I'm waiting for the leaves to grow again. Because I think I'm pretty much done storing leaves in my freezer. I've been doing it for years, and it's really been great, but I end up having all these leaves and then I don't use them all. And that, you know, that's kind of a bummer because I don't want to pull them and then not use them. So I'm going to get away from that now. So, and plus eco dyeing it can be very hard on your body, you know. It can be painful to the bod. So here is this little kit, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Deep Blue is the name of it, and so it's a 14 sheet kit, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you want to learn how to eco dye, I will link my eco dyeing playlist to the end of this video, and also specifically go to Twilight Forest. That video has a step-by-step guide to get you started, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. So thanks for stopping by today, and I invite you to subscribe. I'm doing art excavations now with lots of different digs per excavation where we dig up all these art treasures, and I'm doing treasure hunting Tuesdays. So click subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you will be alerted for all those fun things coming up. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.